After the age of 60, your body starts losing muscle mass at a dangerous rate. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it silently affects millions of seniors around the world. You may not feel it at first, but the signs creep in. Your legs feel weaker. You get tired easily. Stairs become harder. And one day, without warning, you fall. And that fall changes everything. This isn't a rare story. Studies show that after age 60, people can lose up to 3% of their muscle mass every year. That means by the time you're 70, your legs may already be 20% weaker than they were just a decade ago. And here's the worst part. This loss doesn't just make you slower. It makes you dependent. Dependent on walkers, on caregivers, on pills. But here's the good news. Japanese longevity expert and physician Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara believed that aging didn't have to mean weakness. He believed muscle loss wasn't a punishment of old age. It was the result of missing the right fuel. Dr. Hinohara lived to be 105 years old. He worked full-time into his hundreds. He climbed stairs. He saw patients. He had sharp thinking, quick steps, and strong legs, long after most people his age had slowed down or stopped moving altogether. His secret wasn't hidden in a pill bottle. It wasn't even in a gym. It was on his plate. And it started with one strange, sticky, fermented food that most people outside of Japan have never even heard of. That food is natto. Natto is made from fermented soybeans. It's gooey. It's smelly. It's unusual. But inside, it holds the power to rebuild lost muscle, even without exercise. Why? Because natto is packed with a nutrient called vitamin K2. This vitamin is critical for seniors. It helps move calcium out of your blood and into your bones, making them stronger. But that's not all. Vitamin K2 also activates a protein called osteocalcin. This protein not only strengthens bones, it helps maintain lean muscle mass. In fact, studies show that seniors who get enough vitamin K2 have better leg strength and fewer falls. But natto does more than supply K2. It's also a source of nattokinase, a powerful enzyme that improves blood flow and breaks down dangerous clots. Better circulation means more nutrients reach your muscles. It also means more oxygen to help them stay energized and flexible. And if that wasn't enough, natto is loaded with complete plant-based protein. This means it has all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and heal, even when you're not exercising. Dr. Hinohara recommended eating natto with rice for breakfast, just 1 or 2 spoonfuls each morning. He believed that consistency was more important than quantity. He believed that even a small amount of the right food, taken daily, could protect your legs, your balance, and your freedom. Natto might be the star ingredient, but it wasn't the only food he relied on. Dr. Hinohara had a list of 5 powerful foods that he rotated into his diet. Each one played a different role in maintaining strength, energy, and movement. The second food on his list? Sardines. These little fish are often overlooked, but they are nutritional gold for seniors. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints. That means less pain, less stiffness, and better range of motion. Omega-3s also support brain health, which is critical for coordination and balance. But there's another reason, Dr. Hinohara loved sardines. They're loaded with calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for bone strength. Weak bones lead to fractures. Fractures lead to hospital beds, and long hospital stays lead to more muscle loss. It's a cycle. Sardines break that cycle. 1 can of sardines, eaten 2 to 3 times per week, delivers enough omega-3 and calcium to make a real difference. And the best part? They're affordable, shelf-stable, and require no cooking. Dr. Hinohara preferred sardines in olive oil because they were heart-friendly and didn't require added fat. The third food he recommended was the humble sweet potato. You may not think of sweet potatoes as muscle food, but Dr. Hinohara did. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates. These are the carbs that release energy slowly, over time. That means your muscles stay fueled longer. No crashes, no fatigue, just steady strength. Sweet potatoes are also high in potassium. This mineral supports nerve signals and muscle contractions. It prevents cramps. It keeps your legs working properly. And as a bonus, sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects cells from aging damage. In Okinawa, one of the world's blue zones, where people regularly live past 100, sweet potatoes are a staple food. They eat them more than rice. Dr. Hinohara. Encourage seniors to eat half a cup of sweet potato daily, steamed, roasted, or mashed. It's gentle on digestion and easy to prepare. The fourth food on his list is seaweed. You've seen it in sushi. But seaweed isn't just decoration. It's a mineral powerhouse. Seaweed contains iodine, magnesium, calcium, and iron. All of these are essential for muscle health. Magnesium, in particular, is important for seniors. It helps muscles relax and contract. It reduces cramps. It supports recovery. Unfortunately, many seniors are deficient in magnesium. Seaweed is one of the easiest ways to get it, naturally. Wakame, nori, and kombu are common types. Just a few strips a day can provide a powerful boost. Seaweed is also low in calories but high in fiber, which supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Dr. Hinohara often added seaweed to soups, rice, or even ate it as a snack. He believed that small amounts, eaten daily, created long-term strength. The fifth and final food on his core list was the egg. That's right, just one simple egg. Dr. Hinohara considered eggs to be nature's multivitamin. Why? Because eggs are one of the best sources of leucine, a key amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. That means your body starts building muscle just by eating it, even without moving, even without working out. A 2017 study published in the journal Nutrients showed that older adults who ate eggs regularly maintained more muscle than those who didn't. Eggs also contain choline, which supports brain function and the nervous system. This improves coordination, balance, and movement. Dr. Hinohara ate a boiled egg every morning. No frying, no oil, just simple, clean protein to start the day. He often paired it with natto and seaweed. His belief was simple: start the day with food that feeds your muscles, and they will serve you throughout the day. When you combine these 5 foods, natto, sardines, sweet potatoes, seaweed, and eggs, you create a protective shield for your body. A shield that guards against weakness, against falls, against dependence. You may not see the changes overnight, but over weeks, over months, you'll notice something. You'll feel stronger when you stand up. Your legs won't shake as much on stairs. You'll walk a little longer, a little taller, a little freer. That's the power of food. That's the legacy of Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara. He taught that aging doesn't have to be about decline. It can be about maintenance, about small, consistent wins. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need to do squats. You just need to feed your body the right fuel, and your body will do the rest. If you're over 60 or even 70 or 80, it's not too late. Start with one change: 1 spoonful of natto, 1 sardine, half a sweet potato, 1 strip of seaweed, 1 egg. Then repeat it tomorrow, and again the next day. Your muscles are listening. They are waiting. Give them the nutrition they've been missing, and they will reward you. In the next part, we'll show you how to combine all these into a 3-minute morning routine. We'll also reveal 2 bonus habits Dr. Hinohara followed every day to stay sharp, active, and mobile past 100. These aren't just food tips. They're lifestyle secrets for lasting strength. Let's continue. You've learned about the 5 powerful foods that Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara believed were key to staying strong after 60. Natto, sardines, sweet potatoes, seaweed, and eggs. But now you might ask, how do I eat all of these without getting overwhelmed? How can I make this practical, fast, and doable every day? You're not alone. Many seniors struggle with food preparation. You might have low energy in the morning. You may not like cooking. You may even feel confused about how to put everything together. But here's the beautiful truth. Dr. Hinohara believed that food should be simple, not stressful, not expensive, not complicated. He didn't follow 10-step recipes. He followed a simple rule: make your morning meal count. Give your body what it needs first thing in the day, and it will give you energy, movement, and clarity for the rest of it. He created a 3-minute muscle-building breakfast, and this routine could change your life. Let's build it together. Start with 1 boiled egg. Boil it the night before if needed. Eggs are rich in leucine. That's the amino acid that tells your body, build muscle now. Even if you're sitting all day, your muscles still need leucine to stay alive. Next, take 1 spoon of natto. Yes, it smells strong. Yes, it looks odd. But it is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on earth for seniors. Mix it with warm rice if the taste is too strong, or add a little soy sauce or mustard. Natto gives you K2 for strong bones. It gives you plant protein. It gives you powerful enzymes that improve blood flow and digestion. That's already 2 ingredients done. Now add half a sweet potato. Steam or roast it the night before. Reheat it in the morning if needed. This provides long-lasting energy, stabilizes your blood sugar, and keeps your muscles from feeling tired too quickly. Sprinkle a little cinnamon or sea salt if you want flavor. This is your muscle fuel. Now let's add seaweed. You don't need much, just a strip of nori or a few pieces of wakame. Wrap it around your egg or rice, or eat it like a chip. Seaweed gives you iodine for your thyroid, magnesium for muscle relaxation, and fiber for better digestion. Finally, if you have a little more time, open a can of sardines. Just 1 or 2 small fish. Put them on the side. Sardines give you omega-3s to fight inflammation. They protect your joints. They nourish your heart and brain. And they support recovery in aging muscles. That's it. 5 ingredients. 5 foods. All in 1 simple morning meal. Total time? 3 minutes if you prep ahead. You don't need a stove. You don't need a recipe. You just need commitment. Imagine starting your day with this meal every day. You're feeding your body strength. You're sending a signal to your brain that you care. And over time, you'll see the results. Your legs will feel stronger. Your walking will feel steadier. Your energy will last longer. This is food as medicine. But Dr. Hinohara didn't stop with food. He also believed in the power of small daily habits. Let's explore 2 of them that he practiced every day until his final years. The first one is simple. Use your legs. Dr. Hinohara took the stairs even at age 100. He avoided elevators. He stood often. He took small walks throughout the day. Not long walks, just a few minutes, many times a day. He believed that legs were the foundation of independence. Once the legs go, the rest follows. You don't have to do squats or push-ups. Just move your legs. Walk around the house. March in place. Walk to the mailbox. Stand during TV commercials. These small movements wake up the muscle fibers in your legs. They improve circulation. They reduce stiffness. And they signal your brain that you are not done yet. The second habit is just as powerful. Keep a young mindset. Dr. Hinohara avoided the label of old man. He kept working past 100. He smiled often. He played with children. He scheduled things to look forward to. He stayed curious. He believed that thinking young kept the body young. Science supports this. Studies have shown that seniors who feel younger than their age have better muscle strength, better balance, and even live longer. Your thoughts matter. If you believe you're too old to improve, you won't. If you believe your body is done, it will slow down. But if you believe your body is ready to grow stronger, it will try. The brain and body are deeply connected. That's why your mindset must match your goal. If your goal is strength and independence, your thoughts must support that. So don't tell yourself, I'm just old now. Instead, say, I'm getting stronger every day. Because the truth is, your body listens. Now let's address a common concern. What if you're already weak? What if your legs are shaky and you can't stand very long? What if your appetite is small? Can this still help? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. Even if you've already lost muscle, this routine can help rebuild it. Slowly, gently, consistently. The foods we mentioned don't just maintain muscle. They help repair it. They send nutrients directly to your cells. They help reverse inflammation. They protect your bones. They give your muscles what they need to start functioning again. And the best part? You don't need to exercise to see the benefits. These foods are active on their own. You just need to eat them regularly. So if your legs feel weak, start with the egg and the natto. Add the sweet potato when you can. Seaweed and sardines can come next. It's not all or nothing. It's step by step. Even just one new food a week is progress. The goal is not perfection, it's improvement. Week by week, bite by bite. Your muscles will feel it. Your balance will improve. Your energy will increase. And your confidence will return. That's the message Dr. Hinohara shared with the world. He didn't believe in shortcuts. He believed in natural strength. He believed in the body's ability to heal. And he proved it by living to 105 with clear thinking, strong legs, and a kind smile. So if you're feeling discouraged today, don't be. Your body is not broken. It's waiting for support. Give it that support through these 5 foods. Help it with small movements. Nourish it with positive thoughts. And you will feel the shift. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen. One day, you'll stand up without groaning. You'll climb stairs without fear. You'll walk longer than you thought possible. And when that happens, remember, it started with one choice, one meal, one step. You don't need a gym. You don't need medicine. You don't need to be young. You just need to begin. And today is the best day to do that. If this message touched your heart, if it gave you hope, if it gave you a plan, then take action. Don't wait until you fall. Don't wait until you can't stand. Don't wait until your muscles fade more. Start now. And if you care for someone over 60, a parent, a partner, a friend, share this with them. Help them see that age doesn't mean weakness. Help them build strength from their kitchen. If they can chew, they can rebuild. If they can breathe, they can improve. Dr. Hinohara left us with a legacy of longevity, powered by food and mindset. We honor that by applying it. So here's your simple challenge. For the next 7 days, eat 1 boiled egg and 1 spoon of natto each morning. If you can, add sweet potato. If not, no worries. Start where you are. Then notice how you feel. Notice your steps. Notice your focus. And come back here and share your results. We're building a community of strong seniors. A place where age means wisdom, not weakness. A place where we choose nourishment over pills, movement over stillness, hope over fear, and strength, no matter our age. You're not too old. You're just getting started. Keep going. Keep growing. Your body will meet you where you are, one bite at a time.